Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss how to create a 3x3 magic square. It is just for fun, but you can enjoy. It is a simple magic square which we are creating by using the numbers 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. At the end, we are going to discuss how to create the magic squares by using different numbers. Let's enter into our video. See, I just created a square with 3 by 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Mark the middle points in the first one 2, 4, 6 and 8. I just had marked on that. Now I am going to draw a square within this. Join these two, these two, these two and these two. Now make it as a 3 cross 3 table. See now and now. This is our square. All the numbers are inside the square except 1379. We have to place this 1, 3, 7 and 9 within the four boxes of the square. Now, this is the idea behind that. Wherever is the number, we have to take that number to the opposite side. See, for example, 1 should be here and remove 9 and put it over in the opposite side. Take 7 and put it in the opposite side. Take your 3 and put it in the opposite side. That's all. Your magic square is now ready. Just to present that in a clear format, 4, 9, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 1 and 6. This is the perfect one. How this can be considered as a magic square? Add all the rows by row wise. Add all the columns by column wise. Add both the diagonal wise. The answer will be 15. For example, 5 plus 9 plus 2, 15. 3 plus 5 plus 7, 15. 8 plus 1 plus 6, 15. Column wise. 4 plus 3 plus 8, 15. 9 plus 5 plus 1, 15. 2 plus 7 plus 6, 15. Now diagonal wise. 8 plus 5 plus 2, 15. 4 plus 5 plus 6, 15. In the square, in the form of a straight line, you are adding the resulting answer will be 15. We achieved really. You learned a very nice thing, how to create a magic square using the numbers 1 to 9, and our sum will be 15. Instead of doing that, I have to create a magic square with any number. That's the idea now. In order to do that, see what is the key number over here. The key number is the middlemost number, that is 5. That's the key element. If we change that 5, automatically the entire structure will be collapsed. So the center point is the most important one. I am going to find the distance of every cell from the middle point. For example, take the first number 4. What is the difference between 5 and 4? That is 1, right? So 5 minus 4. The next one, 5 plus 4. The next one, 5 minus 3. The next one, 5 minus 2. The middle one, 5. The next one, 5 plus 2. The next one, 5 plus 3. The next one, 5 minus 4. The next one, 5 plus 1. I am just going to replace the 5 with x. Substitute x is equal to 5. Which 5? The middlemost number 5. That's it. That's it. Calculate all the other numbers by means of your substituted value x. So, the middle value is x. From the first one, x minus 1, x plus 4, x minus 3. The next one, x minus 2, x plus 2. And the next one will be x plus 3, x minus 4 and x plus 1. How to get the summation? The summation is the 3 times of the middle number. Am I right? Because it is a 3 by 3 matrix. So, 3 into 5 is 15. So, what will be our answer over there? 3 into x. That's it. We achieved. Now, you can substitute any number for x. You will be getting a very good magic square with the sum of every row or column or in the diagonal wise 3x. Yes, we achieved now. In this video, we learned how to create a 3 cross 3 general magic square. Use this and impress your friends and enjoy with them. See you in the next video. Bye bye.